So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set different wallpaper for lock screen and home screen on your iPhone. Now for example, if I have applied a wallpaper, now the same wallpaper is applied to the lock screen as well, the lock screen and the home screen as well. Now if I want to change the wallpaper for particular home screen only, I just simply need to press and hold the home screen, hit on the edit option right there, hit on edit wallpaper, and you will notice the multiple options right there. I can either the pair is selected, that means the same wallpaper will apply for the both. Simply hit on the photos option right there, select any of the photo that you want. For example, let's say if I select the nature or city, let's say the nature. Now I can select any of the photo, and that photo will apply to the lock screen only. Right there you'll notice that the photo is applied to the lock screen, to the home screen, and my lock screen still looks the same. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.